Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and welcome back to my channel. And today mag-unbox tayo and mag-hands-on ng pinakabagong smartphone ni Huawei, the Huawei Y6p. So this is a very affordable smartphone. So according dito sa website ko, the smartphone is priced at 5,990 pesos and it's quite interesting. So before natin i-unbox and i-hands-on tong smartphone na to, so be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of the latest videos here at my YouTube channel. So bago natin pag-usapan yung unboxing, bago natin malaman kung ano nasa loob ng smartphone na to, alamin muna natin yung basic specifications na meron dito. So first, we got here a Helio P22 octa-core processor from MediaTek, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, 6.3-inch HD plus IPS display, a triple lens camera with a 13 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. We got here a rear fingerprint scanner, EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10, and a 30-40 mAh of battery. So the smartphone is also taking advantage of the Huawei App Gallery para sa kanyang mga applications and everything. So ano bang inaantay natin? I-unbox na natin and i-hands-on si Huawei Y6p. So kita-kita nyo naman sa nan, it's the 4GB, 64GB variant with the Huawei App Gallery sticker in there. So i-unbox na natin kasi hindi ko pa rin nakikita to personally. So curious din ako kung ano ba itsura nitong Huawei Y6p, guys. Alright, so we got here the Huawei Y6p and yung nakuha natin is this color. So this is the blue one or the blue-green one. Medyo maganda siya tignan but mamaya natin pag-usapan to. So i-unbox muna natin kung ano pa ba meron dito sa loob ng smartphone na to. Of course, may kasama siyang SIM card pin, these papers. We got here a free jelly case. So we also got here a 10 watts charger with USB-A port. Syempre may kasama pa rin tayong earphones dito sa smartphone na to. It's a 3.5mm na earphones, guys. Alright guys, so na-unbox na natin and nalaman ko na ba meron sa loob ng Huawei Y6p. Now time to turn this on and tignan natin yung features na ma-expect natin dito sa Huawei Y6p, including the camera. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Huawei Y6p, one of the newest budget smartphones ni Huawei. So kanina yata nasabi ko is 30-40 mAh of battery. That's the Huawei Y5p. Anyway, the Huawei Y6p is a really interesting smartphone. Kasi unang-una, isa sa highlights niya talaga is the 5,000 mAh of battery, which is pretty big and really interesting para sa kanyang price range. And of course, we got here a triple lens camera at the back and we got here a large 6.3-inch display. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung design and build quality na itong si Huawei Y6p. So, as you can see in here, it's like a basic, most basic smartphones that are available in the market right now. So makikita nyo naman dito, we got here the HD plus display sa unahan. It's a 6.3-inch display sa likod. We still got here triple lens camera, the fingerprint scanner. Of course, yan yung plastic design niya. I'm pretty sure this is plastic since this is really affordable. Pero kung magkamali ako, yeah, I think sulit yun. Pero anyway, it's still a it's the back na glossy, it's plastic, medyo prone sa fingerprints. But what I like about it is that it's very solid and it feels really premium. Hindi ma-justify ng camera yung ganda nung reflections sa likod, but this is really beautiful pag tinignan yung mabuti dito. So isa sa mga interesting pa dito aside doon sa kanyang design, again, is the battery. So I'm expecting that the smartphone could last probably more than a day if you're a basic user ng a smartphone, not too much into gaming and mobile data. But siguro kung heavy usage kayo, I think tatagal siya na isang work day and hindi kayo magkakameron ng problema doon. So nakita nyo na yung likod, it's very clean and ang ganda tingnan. So yan, hindi siya mag-focus na maayos, but yeah, the Huawei Y6p is really clean. And then below we got here the micro USB port and also the headphone jack. Along with that is the speaker grill. So nakikita nyo naman dito sa ilalim. And then on the right we got here the power button and also the volume rocker, and the sides is made up of plastic. Then sa unahan we now have here the display. We got here the notch of the top, very small, the bezels are quite minimal, and okay naman ako para sa kanyang price range. It's not the best display as expected. I mean, it's an HD plus display, but we're talking about here a budget smartphone. So the colors aren't the best one na makikita nyo, but for its price range, hindi na ako magre-reklamo. It's not washout, although medyo, I think kailangan na improvement pa sa pagdating sa colors. But yeah, this is quite bright already. Okay, hindi pa to yung highest na brightness, but it's quite bright. But yeah, yung saturation lang siguro. Siguro na spoil lang ako with most smartphones sa mas may saturated displays. So yeah, so you're looking here at EMUI 10.1. So nakikita nyo dito, the UI is very clean to look at. Very similar to other Huawei smartphones with EMUI 10.1. Of course, we got here the different applications. We got here the app gallery for your applications. We got here yung member center for the rewards and everything for Huawei smartphones. Of course, we got here some games na pre-installed, business, social, entertainment. But of course, you can see that those folders can be uninstalled if you wanted to. Hindi naman siya required na nandito sa smartphone na to. So, you already know kung ano ba meron dito sa UI niya. It's fast, it's smooth, it is smooth, and easy siya sa mata. So, makikita nyo nga dito, ayan, it's based on Android 10. That's EMUI 10.1. So, yeah, no problems at all pagdating sa software niya. Of course, the apps can be downloaded sa app gallery. Now, let's talk about one of the features na probably may interest kayo, the camera. Actually, the camera of the Huawei Y6p is quite great for its price range. I'm not saying na nasa level siya ng mga 10,000 pesos na smartphone, but we're talking about here ng 5,990 pesos na smartphone. So, yeah, medyo okay na naman siya para sa akin, para sa presyo niya. So, first, tignan muna natin itong mga photos na kinuha ko dito using the Huawei Y6p. Yung unang shot natin dito is yung Animal Crossing. Surprisingly, may bokeh na dumating dito, may depth of field na nangyari despite not using the portrait mode. So, yes, effective naman yung depth sensor na meron tayo dito sa Huawei Y6p. We also got here a shot ng keyboard ng iPad Pro ko, and it's actually quite good. It's not washout, it's not overblown kahit na medyo tutok sa kanya yung light. So yeah, medyo okay ako dito. And then of course, we got here the shot ng pencil. Dito sa shot ng pencil, maganda yung kuha dito ng colors. Although medyo nadidiliman ako ng konti, I think they still need to improve the brightness of that one. And we got here my selfie. The selfie of the Huawei Y6p is surprisingly great. Maganda yung shot dito. It's quite detailed, and for the price of 5,990, the smartphone does perform really well. Another one is the ultra wide angle shot na meron tayo dito sa Huawei Y6p, and maganda yung kuha natin dito despite na isa siyang wide angle camera. I mean, most smartphones with wide angle camera, hindi ganito yung quality na nakuha natin. But with the Huawei Y6p, okay yung camera na nakuha natin dito. We do not have a macro camera dito sa Huawei Y6p, but the shot that we got dito sa isang furniture, na maliit na furniture ko dito sa bahay, kuha-kuha niya yung details kahit na medyo close up yung shot. And lastly, meron tayo ditong shot ng Marshall speaker, and just like sa mga other smartphones na maganda yung kuha, nakikita ko dito yung details ng mesh ng speaker. The colors are good, but medyo nakukulangan din ako sa brightness, similar do sa shot natin kanina. So yeah, I guess that's it sa ating unboxing and hands-on ng Huawei Y6p. The Huawei Y6p is really interesting, not just because of the design, but because of its camera, and also the 5,000 mAh of battery. And yes, hindi naman siya ganun kabigat, and ergonomic siya kahit na malaki yung battery natin dito sa loob ng smartphone na to. So, this is the Huawei Y6p, and if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, if hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe sa channel ko, just click on the subscribe button along with that bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga latest videos here at the Jam Online YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching, and see you guys again sa susunod na video.